Okay, so we are unboxing the Zinus 8-inch green tea memory foam mattress. This is in the full size. It is a medium firm feel, and it's supposed to be zoned for pressure relief. Now, this is something exciting to us because it's going to be for an Airbnb, and we want to make sure that the mattress is comfortable for our customers. We loved the little note that came inside the box. It was just very creative and it made sense. Hand it to the responsible one. Here's how your mattress is going to come. You're going to want to very gently, very carefully go ahead and put some cuts into that plastic and you will hear it. It's going to start just blowing up once you let air into that bag because it's been suctioned so much for shipping. Once you do this, it's going to go ahead and fully inflate to the full 8 inches, and you want to do this within 72 hours of receiving your box. We were not made fully aware of that, so this was something that you might want to take into consideration when purchasing. Once it's fully done, go ahead and cover it with your favorite sheets and bedding, and voila, you have got the perfect, comfortable, full-size mattress.